Welcome to the desert. The desert is the driest, hottest place on earth. In the desert, it doesn't rain very often, and they usually only get 10 inches of rain each year. In some deserts, it might only rain one time, and then not again for a whole nother year. During the summer in the desert, it can easily reach 100 degrees. Woo! You might be wondering, Miss Huntley, with no rain and it being so hot, how do animals survive? Because animals need 4 things in their habitat: food, water, shelter, and air and space. Well, deserts can be really big. The whole United States could fit in the Sahara Desert. So there's a lot of air and space for animals to survive. Shelter: a lot of desert animals will hide under rocks or even under the sand to protect themselves. Food: there are some plants in the desert, like a cactus. There are also smaller animals and critters that larger ones can eat, so there are food options. The tricky one is water. Well, animals in the desert have had to adapt, change their behavior to be able to survive. One animal, the kangaroo rat, gets water from the seeds it eats. Other animals get water from the other animals that they eat. For example, a fox, when it eats its smaller critters, gets some water and nutrients from that. Camels have also adapted and have those humps, which are full of fat and water, that help them last from one trip to the other. Now, deserts are really hot, so the animals hide during the day and sleep to stay cool. And at night, it gets really cold. That's when they come out and hunt. There are a lot of cool animals and critters in the desert that you're going to be able to explore. Our Read Aloud is going to share some of those animals and plants that live in the desert.